Hi everyone, Brooke here from Advanced Skin Technology to introduce to you a new product that we have from Cosmedix. It is called Bakuchiol Complete. What is Bakuchiol, you say? Good question. So Bakuchiol is a plant derivative that we use, and it's actually like the plant-based sister of retinol, or what you might call vitamin A. Now, typically we know vitamin A for its amazing rejuvenating benefits. It repairs the skin, it regulates the skin, and it's typically something that we use at nighttime. It exfoliates and really keeps our skin looking really young and fresh. Unfortunately though, one of the downsides of retinol is sometimes there are skins that can't quite tolerate it. So this is going to now be a really perfect alternative for those people. It is all the benefits of your retinol, but without any of the irritation. It is in a beautiful oil base, so it's very, very nourishing for your skin. So if you do maybe have sensitivity or dryness, it does have that beautiful sort of oil and repairing finish to it. If you are using retinol and you do already know it and love it and typically use it at nighttime, you can actually look at including Bakuchiol during your daytime routine. So then that means you're actually getting all those rejuvenating benefits for a full 24 hours rather than just overnight. So if you are a drier skin, you can apply it straight over the top of your serums to allow for, that extra sort of nourishment, but also quite a nice light finish. Or if you are more on the drier side, you can obviously use a little bit more, or potentially pop it into your moisturizer just to make it that little bit richer. Perfect especially for winter with that nice sort of oily finish, to make sure that you keep really nice and hydrated, but you're still getting all those repairing and rejuvenating benefits. So again, this is Bakuchiol Complete by Cosmedix. Enjoy.